This is going to be your best friend, okay? To understand redox, oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. Almost counterintuitive, but that's just how redox reactions work. The density of the ethyl alcohol is 0.789 grams per milliliter. What is a volume of 35.5 grams for ethyl alcohol? So they're nice enough actually to give us a formula to calculate density. What if you didn't have that? How would you go approach this question? Same way you actually try to cancel your units. So you started out with, well, actually let me write the question down. Density of ethyl alcohol is 0.789 grams per mole. What is a volume of 35.5 grams of ethyl alcohol? Okay, so let's start with what we know. We know we have 35.5 grams of ethyl alcohol. So if we want to get rid of the grams, we want to make sure we put the grams now in the denominator, which is 0.789, and then equals 1 mil. So to find the volume actually is going to be 35.5 divided by 0.789. Okay, that is going to be 44.99. If we want to round it to the nearest significant digit, because there's 3 signigs, it's going to be 45.0 mils of ethyl alcohol. That's how you solve it. So you need to know the formula actually. But for context actually, as you see there in grams per, milliliters, right? The way it works for density, right? To find density, that weird P, okay, is going to be mass over volume. This is the density formula. So you can rearrange it however you want to find mass or volume. In this case, they're acting for volume. So volume is equal to mass over density. But I didn't need to know that formula per se because I was able to look at the units and make sure that I was canceling the right units. Okay, so just another trick. That way, like, you don't feel like you're being overwhelmed by all these equations you have to memorize. But yeah, that's what they did here. They rearranged it, and exactly they got 45 mils. So this is correct. So now let's move on to question 28. Now